Hi everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, give the runaround, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to give someone unclear, misleading, incomplete, or evasive information, especially in response to a question or request. The townspeople have grown impatient with the lack of clarity on the issue from the council. You've given us the runaround for the last time. We demand change. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The woman wasn't happy with her telephone bill when she received it. This is the second time they've made this mistake, and they obviously gave me the runaround last time I called because the bill hasn't gone down. The man applied for planning permission to build, but hadn't got the response he wanted. I received an email from the city council, but they're giving me the runaround. After I read the email, I still don't know if I got the planning permission or not. Jane gave her friend a loan of money, but she's still waiting to get the money back. She's giving me the runaround. I'll never give her a loan again. Let's look at some more examples, this time in professional situations. The media tried to get a direct answer from the politician. This interview would go a lot easier if you didn't give us the runaround. Stop avoiding the question. The employee interviewed for a promotion, but their manager still hasn't given them an answer and claims he's constantly busy. They are giving me the runaround. I'm getting tired of waiting. The call center agent kept receiving bad reviews from customers. Their manager isn't happy. I listened back to your calls, and instead of helping the customer, you give them the runaround. Where did you hear the expression, give the runaround? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.